Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable port out protection with AT&T security settings, full guide step by step clearly. To enable port out protection with AT&T security settings, start by opening your web browser. Visit the AT&T website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, click on the option to create one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Look for the Security tab within that section. Click on Security Settings to view your options. Scroll down until you find the Port Out Protection setting. Select Enable to activate port out protection for your account. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a text message or email. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. After verification, return to the security settings to confirm that port out protection is enabled. Review any additional security options and adjust them as needed. Once you're satisfied with your security settings, log out of your account. Keeping your account secure is crucial for protecting your personal information and services. Regularly check your settings to ensure port out protection remains active. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting AT&T customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you will have enhanced your account security effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.